learn a new software. So you write a prompt over here. You have a 4 image.
Okay.
And the difference is the blending part is really amazing in this. Okay, you see that 4 options are there. Now I can extend my set. Okay, and I just write a prompt and I just say generate. So option generate is there now. I have 4 options over here. Okay, that's beauty about this software. Now what I do, I need a left hand side. I just paint it a little bit. I just write a prompt over there, and I have a mountain. Okay, I write a mountain, generate, extended is there, and I have a 4 versions of that. Okay, so again I need a left hand side. I just paint a little bit. I just put up mountains. Okay, same prompt, and there you are. I have 4 options again. So now I need a path. I need a prompt over there. You see the blendings? It's amazing. Okay, I have 4 options. I like this option. Okay, fine. Like that way. Now I need a mountain over here. Okay, so I'm just writing a prompt over here now. Okay, as a mountain, and just prompt is written, and I say generate. So again I have 4 options. Option 1, option 2. Option 3, option 4. So now I like this option, okay?
Yes.
So fine, okay, I'm happy with this. Now I don't need this, I am not happy about it. So I just painted that. So in that area only it will appear, okay? So what I need is like now a science center something kind of thing. So I just put it in there and you have 4 options.
Yes.
But my client always comes and gives me changes. Okay, I'm not happy about what you've seen it. So again I'm making something a science center or something like that. A network or something like that, satellite center. So I just see a satellite center, write a satellite center is there. Okay, quickly. Okay, now my clients come back again and he says like, I don't like this. I need something, you know, tank or something like that. So again I paint that and then I just put a prompts, there you are. And it's so fast, see that?
Yes.
It's fast. And now you see it's very seamless, everything is perfect, blending is good. So now I just make a quickly go to another. This is all other sort of software also done, but this is something unique which this software has, okay? So now I have all this in a separate one layer, okay? Now I can separate all these things, okay? I have a depth map, okay? I can create a depth out of this, okay? You understand depth map?
Yes.
What is depth map? So I can create it since you are from VFX background, right? So I generate a depth map, okay? Now I just click a button with a magic node, I can separate this layer, okay? Now I just put this thing and separate, the layers are separate, okay? Again with I can just add my layers like this and I can just say cut over here and you are there. It can cut the video as well. Again, if something I wanted to add like this, I can go here, I have tools and options over here. I can simply go and add it over here like this, okay? Quickly I can do that. So you see the alphas are very clear and good. So again I can just click over there and there you have. Again I click on that and I have a separate layer of that also. So and this option. And now again these 4 layers I have it. Now I arrange the layers and now I need an extension of this. So I simply paint it and I just say cloud and generate. Set extensions are generated, okay? So that's what the beauty is. You can have whatever layers you wanted. So it's beauty about this software, okay? So you see the sky is created.
Yes.
Of course this will be background, okay? No, we don't want this, all this in the foreground. So again I need snow or something like that. I write a prompt over here. I just paint it, okay? And I write a small prompt quickly. Here we have a properties also over here, okay? Whatever properties we need, we can just generate. Snow, blendings, amazing, right? So that all is there. Again and quickly run. Again I'm just extending my clouds, okay? So you'll understand why I am all doing all these things, okay? See, extended is there now. So once all this thing is done, the output, this is the final output now. I will go to the next thing now. You see this now in the Unreal Engine software. You see the parallax? It's all in the layers.
Yes.
Okay, and this is mesh. You can get a mesh of this software from this. This is the beauty of this software. You can export the mesh to any other softwares, OBJ format or any other formats. Okay, so this is an Unreal Engine software. So you see, you can go that close. So this is what you can do it in Kubrick in nutshell. So yeah, that's all about Kubrick.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.